I loved many men in my life, so many that you wouldn't believe. Like Winston, the dog lover. Jay, he loved hip-hop. And Al, he loved to eat. And Randy, he was my latest love. Our relationship ended about, 5 hours ago. You see, since Randy's retirement, he began bird watching. What a wretched animal, I always tell him. Why anyone would want to watch one, I have no clue.
Now see that there? That's a whippoorwill. A blackbird.
He would sit for hours listening to those god-awful bird call CDs.
Honey, I want to take you on a vacation.
A vacation? Where?
Well, I'm thinking Western Oklahoma.
Western Oklahoma? That's a vacation?
Well, they got that Quartz Mountain place there. I just thought it'd be a good idea to see some of our own state for a change. Seems like we're always going someplace else.
I heard it'd be nice. I heard of it.
And they got all sorts of hummingbirds, and they
Please, Randy, enough with the birds. Western Oklahoma it is. I'm going to sleep now.
You know that the loon has only been recorded 4 times in the state of Oklahoma? I'd love to find me a loon.
What Randy didn't know is that he had found himself a loon. And since the first day he moved in with her, he had been slowly letting the loon out of its cage. Bit by bit, bird call by bird call, meaningless fact after meaningless fact.
No, birds don't pee. It all comes out of the same hole. The name of that hole is a cloaca. Waste comes out of it. And when they put their cloacas together, that's how they have sex. And then the female bird, she plops those eggs out of the same hole. It's multifunction. Yeah. Well, anyhow, birds don't pee. That's why it's white. The bird poop. Esther? Where'd you go? Esther? Esther! Esther!
I hate birds. I love passionate people. That must sound funny to you, but it's true. The things that attract us to someone are the same things that annoy us about them later on. Hello.
You and your husband have a nice walk?
Well, that wasn't my husband. That was my brother, and he just left.
Oh.
No, I'm a widow.
Oh, I'm sorry. So would you consider having dinner with me, you and me, tonight?
Sure.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Great. Then it's a date.
A date?
Well, I mean, if that's all right.
Hi, I'm Esther.
Oh, David.
David, nice
Yeah.
to meet you, David.
I'll meet you in the lobby around 6.
The lobby it is.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. David, may I ask you a question?
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Are you a passionate man?
Sorry. Passionate.
Are you a passionate man?
Only about nice women like you.
Bye. Huh. Perfect.